Here at Speedhaus, we've been working on the Isuzu VehiCROSS. Done a few things to it. It's looking a lot better already. Not where it needs to be, but it's getting there. Go over the curb?
We have done new tie rods. We've put new shocks all the way around. We put new front bushings. So the trans problem that we had on the first test drive, we pulled the drain plug and there was basically no trans fluid in the entire transmission. Filled it up with trans fluid, transmission shifts like a dream now, so fix that problem. A few little small details, and then we've polished the wheels and shined the tires, and that's about as much as we've done so far. So she looks good, so now we're gonna go for a test drive. Let's go.
Okay, haven't fixed that part.
Well, the door's not fixed, but that's okay. Starts up though. Safety third.
Okay, so last time we were driving this, it was pulling hard to the left.
You know, I think they want us to die, Trevor.
Is it driving straight?
It pulls. We definitely take out that car. We also did get an alignment as well. Forgot to mention that. So let's test it out. We're still pulling to the left, but not near as hard. So we're still gonna have to look back into that. No. But she drives much better though. And it shifts. Oh, we also, I forgot, we put new brake pads on the car. So we should be able to stop now.
It feels pretty good.
It does, it feels really good. Definitely feels 2000s Japanese for sure.
I don't know how to lean the seat up.
That's okay.
Where are you looking? At what I was looking at? I don't.
It's okay. Maybe we should put it in power mode.
There's a power
There's
mode?
a power mode. We're in power mode, baby. Whoa!
Oh.
We kind of pulled to the left. Oh, look, we're straight.
Oh.
You notice how we let off, we pulled to the left? Then we pull out. Okay, I don't understand that. That's a little weird. Room for improvement,
Yeah,
but
for sure.
it's definitely a lot better than when we first bought the car. Where James calls it a truck. Sounds a little funny.
Yeah, it does.
It's okay though, it's running.
You know what the ultimate test is?
What?
Flyby. Oh, sounds healthy. Oh. Okay, now if it's to me, the thing's fine. You know, might smell a little, but I think it's fine. Why is he coming at me? Oh, the brakes. The window doesn't work?
It needs to be fixed.
Okay, so fix the window. Have you noticed the smell?
No, that's not.
It smells. It smells a little.
That's okay.
Yeah? Is that normal?
Yeah, it's normal.
Okay, so what else do you have to do?
Right now, the interior needs a good detail because we're filthy. We need to, cosmetically, we need to detail it. We need to strip the paint off and either repaint it or wrap it. Sand the headlights down, get them all cleaned up. Mechanically, other than like going through like some spark plugs, coil packs, stuff like that, we went through the power steering. We fixed the power steering, like put new lines on it, we put a new pump on it. AC, I don't believe is working at the moment, so we gotta fix that. That's as far as I know at the moment, because we've done tie rods and shocks and brakes, so mechanically we've done that.
Yeah.
Maybe we need to change the oil.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even change the oil yet.
I mean, it's only been here like, what, 2 weeks?
2 weeks?
Yeah. I feel like that's a lot for 2 weeks.
Yeah, we've done a lot in 2 weeks. So.
More than them 5.
More than the M5. More than the white car.
Yeah.
335i. But there'll be a lot of updates next week though.
The next video is 335i? What's the white car?
It's a 335xi.
Okay.
Technically.
Gets a new built motor.
New built motor, G800 package, so it's rated for roughly 800 horsepower, supposedly. So it's got a built motor, which has got rods, pistons, studded, loose hills, springs, things like that. And that's going in the car as we speak. So next week we should have an update, I would say, on if the motor is back in the car and how it's driving.
So watch the next video.
Next video. Now we're It's okay. We had to turn around. It's okay.